Alam mo bang yung next level ng buhay mo, hinihintay ka lang kumilos? Gising na, besh! Hello, Aya Perds at your service. Welcome to Live Good Tips with Coach Perds. Alam mo, hindi mo kailangan ng perfect timing or perfect plan. Kailangan mo lang simulan. Kahit simpleng step lang ngayon. Hindi mo naman kailangang maging motivated eh. Kailangan mo lang maging committed. Kasi kung palagi mong hihintayin si motivation, matutulog ka na lang ulit. Lahat ng successful, hindi naman sila laging inspired eh. Pero lahat sila kumikilos. So, kahit pagod ka, kahit hindi mo feel, force yourself to take action. Kasi action creates clarity. And clarity creates results. Kung ready ka nang simulan yung next chapter mo, follow me. May share akong tools, mindset tips, and real talk tayo para tuloy-tuloy ang progress mo. Okay?